So today we are going to Knott's Berry Farm. Yes, again we are going to Knott's Berry Farm.
Knott's Merry Farm to be exact.
It is Christmas, so it is Knott's Merry Farm now. If you guys are wondering, holy crap, she has a whole bunch of Knott's Berry Farm vlogs. Does she live there? The question is, yes we do. Just kidding, we have annual passes. We've been annual pass holders for like 2-3 years now. So here we go to Knott's Merry Farm. You like my shoes, Stephanie? You're so cute. Oh, how cute.
You guys like any photos?
So we were working on another Instagram post and Jama was taking pictures and look who came out. Look who came out. They came out and they saw my shoes and they got excited. We were acting like little kids. So throughout the park, they have like little decorations of Christmas, such as one of these. See Linus, mistletoes, all over the lamppost. So that's mostly around Camp Snoopy. Around Knott's Berry Farm is mostly in Ghost Town, as you can see, with that big old tree. So I guess we'll show you guys around mostly Ghost Town than the other parts of the park, because I think Ghost Town's mostly the it place.
Okay, so tell them what we're doing.
So we are now going to see one of the Christmas shows that they have right now. This Christmas show is at the Charles M. Schwartz Theater. It is an ice skating show. I don't know what it's about yet. This is the first time I'm actually seeing it.
It's about ice skating and Christmas.
Oh my god. No, but there's always a storyline.
Natalie?
No, there isn't. There never is.
But I mean, today we're not really going on the rides. We're more like taking pictures and enjoying ourselves.
I still have yet to go on a ride.
We've only done one ride. I mean, I'm feeling pretty sick. If you guys can't hear it in my voice.
Not like they care, we're all sick.
Yeah, but it's more of a chill day. We're not really here to like ride rides. If it happens, it happens. We're just more enjoying the Christmas decorations and seeing what they have here at Knott's. It's around half an hour before the show starts. Scene just opened and this place is full to the max. Huh. Oh, we just got out of the ice skating show. Real cute. Always make me feel more single every time I get out of there because they do really cute couple choreography.
Whose problem is that? Now, what do you think? It's whatever for Natalie.
Oh, sorry, mamas. So that was like in the little barn, like ghost town. Meet Santa, buy some like tamales, crepes. What else can you buy? I didn't pay attention.
Caramel apples.
Caramel apples, basically Christmas food, Christmas snacks you can buy there. This is what they have so far for the right hang time. It's gonna be like this. That's what they have. It's coming next year. Should be good.
Vlog update. I haven't gone on any rides.
So it's so
Carousel.
packed that we're not really getting on any of the rides. We're just really walking around, seeing shows. Stop being such a hoe.
It's Christmas. Ho ho ho. Well, that's the most that has happened here at Knott. Thank you for joining us for the Knott's Merry Christmas vlog. I know we do a lot of vlogs, Knott's vlog, but guess what? We renewed our annual passes for 2018, so you're gonna see a lot more. So you better hang on tight. Follow us on Instagram.
All our information will be in the description below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And you guys have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Bah humbug.